Good evening, all. I'm Dr.A.Vaniprabha, Associate Professor, AC Department, SNS College of Engineering. Today, I'm going to share some important information about writing a research journal. Certain steps are involved in writing a journal. Next, rewrite the journal's instructions and authors. Review the details of how the manuscripts to be formatted and submitted. Next point is prepare the final illustration. Ensure that your tablets, figures and figure legends are complete, clear, self-financing and self-contained and in the format required by the journal. Do not allow any chance for misunderstanding. Next one, get feedback on the manuscript and then revise the manuscript again. Getting feedback is one of the most important things that one can do to improve an article. First, be sure the co-authors have had a chance to read and comment on the draft. Then, when it is ready, give the manuscript to some colleagues. When you would like to receive their comments and what levels of information you would like on the science, logic, language, and after you get the comments, revise your manuscript to address the concerns. Do not submit the manuscript until you feel it is ready for publication. Once it is accepted, further changes in the manuscript will be difficult. Next point, submit the manuscript to the editor. Follow the instructions to authors to determine that the items need to submit, how to submit them, and whom to submit them. Note some journals even require a pre-review, a letter indicating the content of the article, so electrical can determine whether they will accept the manuscripts to a full review. At this point, you may wish to list possible reviewers after a month you have not received. Contact the editor to be sure that the manuscript was received, and after a month you have not received a response concerning the acceptability of the manuscript for publication, anyone may wish to contact the editor about this too. Next point is deal with reviewers' comments. Most manuscripts are not accepted on the first submission. However, one may be well invited to resubmit a revised manuscript. If you choose to do so, you will need to respond to the reviewer comments. Do this with tact. Answer every concern of the reviews and indicate where the corresponding changes were made in the manuscript if they were indeed made. Do not need to make all the changes that the reviewer recommended, but do need to provide a convincing rationale for any changes that you didn't make. When you resubmit the manuscript, indicate in your cover letter that this is a revised version. An alternative is to submit the manuscript to other journal. However, it may still be best to take the reviewer comments into consideration. Even if you feel that the reviewers have misunderstood something in your paper, authors so resubmit manuscripts of more than one journal at a time is restricted. The last step, check the proofs. Once the manuscript is accepted and prepared for print, the publisher will send the information regarding a reference. The proofs may be sent via email or as hard copy. If there is a chance that one should be away when the proofs arrive, have a plan for making certain that they are received and you are notified. You may only have 24 to 48 hours to return the proofs. Carefully correct any typos and factual errors. However, try to limit changes to editorial queries plus minor modifications. If anything more major is required regarding journal editing and perspective, please approach. So this is the last point. So 20 steps have to be followed so as to write a quality research journal. Thank you.